How to freeze columns in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel. First, let's start by freezing first column only. Simply select the first column cell and then click on View at the top, which is beside Review and Help. And here you'll find Freeze Panes. Simply click on Freeze Panes. And then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Freeze First Column. And then if you scroll, first column will remain the same. To unfreeze, you can simply click on Freeze Pane and then click on Unfreeze. After that, if you want to freeze two columns, simply click on the third column. The ending of the second column is the third column, so simply click on third column. Simply select the cell of the third column. And then again go to View and then Freeze Panes. Click on Freeze Panes and then click on Freeze Panes again. After that, as you can see, two columns has been freezed. To simply freeze column and rows, I want to simply freeze three columns and the first row. Simply click on fourth and then first row and then click on Freeze Panes again. As you can see, with row columns has been freezed. And this is how to freeze columns in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.